That's a burger patty?
That's called a Two Cowboys poutine.
You walk like a bloody racehorse.
Nice and fit. I've been working out, I've been getting ready. With all the beer and the eating, you go, oh my life.
Okay, how are we going to fit all the baggage in there?
Oh, it's all good. I'm just going to check it's fine. You can load solo.
Alongside. Steering wheel's over here.
No, it's keep left.
Keep left.
Keep left. Yeah.
There's a 20-ton truck. Could we avoid that fucking thing? Holy. There you go.
So what are you guys doing in New Zealand?
We're actually chasing some adventure.
What is this? Just
What is what?
What is this?
What, this thing here?
Yeah.
This thing is so I don't wake up like this in Auckland.
Doesn't fit with the Cowboys, man.
Yeah, but people don't necessarily need to
Man
see
up.
it.
Man up.
I am manning up. Look, it's got vents and shit. It's like a sport edition. Don't you like it?
I'm a little embarrassed.
I think
I'm
you're
going to
jealous
go
'cause
this
you
way. You
left
can
yours.
see you later.
Did you say goodbye to your wife?
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
Testicles, spectacles, wallet.
And watch. How are we looking from here? We're going onwards.
So it's Kelowna, Vancouver, Auckland. And you have to say it right now because you're still in North America. It's Auckland. It's not Auckland. It's Auckland.
The cultural diversity in Canada is fantastic. Here at the White Spot restaurant. Everybody's welcome.
Everybody's welcome.
That's a burger patty?
That's called a Two Cowboys poutine.
It's beautiful. Two Cowboys. It's really a thing of beauty is what that is.
It's phenomenal.
I love it.
What's happening, cowboy?
Oh, there's no trolleys in the whole airport of Vancouver till you basically get to your gate. We're carrying all our camera gear, all our edit gear. We've got to carry it. You walk like a bloody racehorse because clearly you don't have a lot of stuff to carry. So I found a trolley and it's fucking running away every time I try and mount it.
You
I
can
made
sit
a
there.
plan.
Sit here in the front. I'll push it.
No, they're gonna lock our asses up when we do that because now we are overloading.
That's hand luggage.
Just
by the way.
show me, I mean, this drone weighs nothing, right? And you got this
I
fancy
come
pack.
prepared. My hands are open.
Yes,
I am. Not that I'm not wearing a lot. There's.
but why do you run?
I have all the run. Look
Yeah.
at me. I'm nice and fit. I've been working out. I've been getting ready.
Why can't you organize one of these things?
You're looking too young. How's it going, man?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if that mocker above you is now full, please feel free to stand and close it for us.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
Could you not hit people with a camera?
That's okay.
I
Just
apologize.
wait till I put my seat way back.
There we go. All flight long.
I'm nearsighted. It helps me a little anyway. They know us, unfortunately. They cut us off usually quite early. On the whiskey, they cut us off early. This is the New Zealand welcome, and you get quite used to it after a while. With all the beer and the eating, you go, oh my life. But here's what's just absolutely priceless. As we flew in, the announcement was, it's very quick to get to the domestic terminal of connections. 10-minute walk. It was a little early at the moment, 5 minutes. So just take your torch. No, that's for the American friends. I mean the flashlight. So bring a torch, and also because it's a little early, the wheelchairs are going to be slow. So we're up early on you this morning.
Oh, no, we start at 5:30.
Because they told us about the wheelchairs being a little delayed this morning at the airport.
Oh, okay,
Apparently
okay.
the fellows came in late.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful. No off-roading, no driving on the beach. No,
That's
no.
great. Yeah.
All right. See, I tell you what. I'll buy you coffee if you load that back.
This is not your 350 Ford.
No.
Okay, how are we going to fit all the baggage in there?
Oh, it's all good. I'm just going to check it's fine. You can load solo.
So what has happened here? Easy Rentals actually, you can fuck off. Easy Rentals gave us a free upgrade.
I learned a lesson. It's good travel advice.
So-
Fastest vehicle on the planet.
Yeah.
is a rental in New Zealand.
Right.
There you go.
Okay, Hendrik, let's go. Look at this idiot's going to climb on the wrong side. You're on the wrong side, mate. Wrong side. Steering wheel's over here.
Okay, this thing doesn't have a key, mate.
Do you fit in here?
There's no key here.
It's a Toyota. You must speak Japanese to it.
So,
Sakiyaki. Oh, there we go.
there we go. This is launch control. Launch control. This is in case you're from Canada. Keep left on the right-hand side and keep left in the center.
Yes.
Oh no, that's keep. No, it's keep left.
Keep left.
Keep left. This is a top tip from the Two Cowboys at the Auckland airport.
Oh Jesus, here we go. I feel a link coming on.
No, it's not.
I feel a link.
Okay.
Could you be any less hard on those brakes?
Yeah. I just want to find the right of the road. It says I need to keep left on the right.
And the danger's always on your.
Look here.
There's a 20-ton truck. Could we avoid that fucking thing?
It's coming on the right hand
Just
side.
wait for it. It's bigger.
Yeah, but it's on the right hand side.
But just wait for it. Holy shit.
Focus. You're gonna be focus. Okay, coffee. This is where you have to go for coffee when you land in Auckland, New Zealand. This is our favorite coffee spot. It's,
okay, do you just want to tell me because you're talking to the people
no,
out there?
They need to know too.
No,
it's a Two Cowboys
I don't want you to do a link. I don't want you to do a link. Talk to me.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
My favorite spot for coffee in Auckland.
Yeah.
When you land, first thing is a flat white.
And why did we miss the flat white?
Because the car rental company was a little too fast.
Okay, so we missed out on coffee now.
No bullshit. We're gonna go. What now?
Bullshit.
Something.
What? Go to that coffee car.
I think it's made out of real cow milk.
That's it.
Real grass.
That's it.
From the paddock. From Miss Daisy. You know what I mean?
Beautiful. Look at that. It's just.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, see you later.
Well done, Mike.
Awesome.
There we go. So I asked this guy inside what makes a good New Zealand flat white, and it's what we suspected all along.
Which is?
It's all about the milk.
All about the milk.
Yeah.
It's all about the milk. Cheers, buddy.
Yeah.
Welcome, New Zealand.
What the fuck is that?
Nee, je moet nie my opsit nie. Ek het niks nie, julle weet nie.
Ons doen ons Afrikaanse audience ook.
Nee, as julle my opsit, julle moet.